Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, these are the geraniums we saved from the hanging baskets from last year. So they've been under the 600 watt light. As you can see, they're all flowering nicely. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to pot them on. As you can see, really nice. That's one. As you can see, split ones. Nice. So that's a lovely plant, as you can see there. One plant. There's another. There we go, 4 plants. So first of all, get your pots, like so. Trim the roots if you need to. And it's nice and centred. There we go. See that? Hopefully you can. Fresh compost all the way around. Easy peasy. There we go. More that side. As you can see, nice and centred. Once you've it potted on like that, water it, just leave it to soak so it's wet through, and then on the side and leave it to dry, and then somewhere light and frost free. So that's my geraniums, potting them on. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and if you like, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. We're getting on with these. Thank you, bye.